Here at Daktronics, we love visitors. We're rooted here in the heartland, and we really like to meet potential customers. We're open, friendly, and always ready to show you around our Brookings, South Dakota headquarters. But we get it. Sometimes meeting in person just isn't possible. If you could come and see us, you would get to know the whole Daktronics team, from the engineers and industry experts who design our high-tech displays to the people who build them, right here in our lean manufacturing facility. You'd take the grand tour of our reliability lab, always a favorite, and you could get the answers to all your questions about Daktronics digital LED billboard products. We really do miss seeing you in person. In the meantime, take a look around you. Chances are, you'll still see us on the road, downtown, even on your commute. So until we can meet again face to face, think of Daktronics bringing a little light into the world.